Jam, you talked about influencer marketing, community founders, partnerships. You talked about a lot of strategies already. Today, I want to talk about manual outreach, like which platform do you do that, and just a few tips lang on how to go about it. Because, and when do you do that? Okay, so let's talk about that. So these are the common questions I get, and I want to answer it right now once and for all para, hindi ka naman dito. Chart! Chart! So, hi guys, it's Jam, the founder of Buhay University and community, and welcome to my latest series called The VA Sorcerer Life, wherein I talk to you about anything about my life as a VA Sorcerer in an educational manner. And for today's video, let's talk about when do I do manual outreach, okay? So, let's talk about the definition first. Manual outreach. This is when I do sniper approach. Okay, this is when I do this whenever there are roles that are hard to find. Because usually when you do job postings online, it's like speaking to EDSA. You put a banner out there, okay, like for example, in a billboard out there, and you're just speaking to random people and hope for people or for the right person to see that ad, and then they speak to you after. But when it comes to manual outreach, you're looking for a specific person, a specific tiger, so the specific person talaga, yung tipong siya talagang kailangan ko. Kaya wag kang magulo, ikaw kailangan ko. So, and there are 3 platforms that I use to do that. Okay, number 1 is Threads. So let's go to our screen right now. What we see here is Threads. It's like the Twitter of of Meta. What I do is I search for the specific what do you call this role, like for example, social media manager. Enter, and I go to profiles, and then I can literally message anyone here already and reach out. Like for example, let's speak to and say real scale with size is my friend. And then you can mention them, you can go to the Instagram. So this is usually connected to Instagram, so I do not need to go to Instagram anymore. So there, man, and then message. Diba? I can now message, I can see her socials, I can look at her portfolio and message her back. That's one way to reach out to Threads. Next is through Instagram. See, through Instagram, same thing. You can go to search, guys, and if you're looking for let's say Amazon VA, click Amazon VA, and you will find like some of them here. And let's say Denise or Tiona, then you can start messaging her back. You can reach out. And lastly, guys, is LinkedIn. Okay, wherein you just type on the search bar, for example, let's look for an executive assistant, and then you filter that to people. Okay, and then maybe let's talk about location is you're looking for people from the Philippines, show results, and then let's see, that's all filters, for example. Then there, you'll see all executive assistants. And then you can connect with a message. You can add to note. But I know right now with this, we can only do 3 personalized invitations per month. So that's not nice. So that's one. Or if you're in Threads, you can actually post like what I do. I post, ito ako nakakarami, looking for an experienced Filipino freelancer for the following roles, work from home. Message me for the full details. And then, you message lang sila, and then I'll just send the job description, pack, they'll apply. So that's what I do. That's what I do to do manual outreach. That's one strategy. But if you have what I mentioned earlier, the sales navigator, that's easier. Okay, that's paid, but it's more affordable compared to the Recruiter Lite. In my other account, dun sa isang client, but I cannot show you kasi I have Sales Navigator and we use that to reach out to talents. So yun lang, that's it for me for today. I hope this video helps you and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye!